Is it audible? Good evening, good evening. Good evening all. Good evening. Is it audible? Yes, yes, it is yes, it is audible. Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Go Score Learning. We are the GCC's fastest growing edtech company. Our main aim is to provide education for all. So, today's class we will discuss the third chapter of calculus. So, it is in CBSE reader. It is seventh chapter, integrals. Integrals and integration. So first two chapters is continuity and differentiability, then applications of derivative, and third one is integrals. It is the chapter 7. Okay. Then in chapter 7 integrals we will discuss first of all the basics of differentiation, then first and then second it is substitution, then actually integration is the reverse process of differentiation. Integration is the reverse process of differentiation. Then we will discuss about the integration by substitution, integration by partial fraction, integration by parts. In this area there are so many questions will asking for your board exam. So in previous year question papers, if you go through the question paper, there are so many questions coming from this side. That means integration by substitution, integration by partial fraction, and integration by parts. So these topics are very important. Then by using some formulas we can solve this integration. So in detail we will discuss integration. Before moving that the integration, I will explain what is integration. Okay. So I first of all discuss about integration. It is actually the inverse of differentiation. That means if integration is, or if differentiation, what is the differentiation of sin x? Differentiation of sin x, d by dx of sin x is cos x. So opposite, that means integral of cos x is equal to sin x. So it is the basic. Inverse of differentiation is called as integration. Then the symbol for integration is this one. This symbol is called as integration symbol. Then integration is two types. There are two types of integration. First one is indefinite integral. Second one, definite integrals. So there are two types of integrals. First one is indefinite integral. Second one is definite integral. So what do you mean by definite and indefinite integrals? I will explain. So indefinite integral means this symbol. There is no limit. We will not apply no limit. Here in definite integral we will apply a limit. A lower limit is there and a upper limit. So this is called as, here it is f of x dx. There is a function. We will integrate a function without limit. It is called as indefinite integral. With a limit, with a lower limit and a upper limit, it is called as definite integral. So this is the symbol for integration. This one is the symbol for integration, right? So next one, properties of integrals. Properties of integrals. So first property, actually we discussed first one. It is the differentiation. Integral is the inverse or opposite of differentiation. Inverse of. So that means integral of d by dx of a function. I am taking a function. Okay, integral of d by dx of this one, or we can write like this also, d by dx of integral f of x. So it is equal to, it will be cancelled, so it will be equal to f of x. This one is the first function. This one is the first function. Then second property, second one. So second property is, if we are taking two functions, that means f of x is first function and g of x is the second function. So integral of two functions. So we will take individual integration of this function. That means it is equal to integral of f of x, then dx plus integral of g of x dx. So individual. This is very important. This second property is very important. Okay. So integral of two function with respect to dx is equal to, we will take integration of individual functions. That means integral of f of x dx plus integral of g of x dx. So if this function is like this, integral of f of x minus, for subtraction also we can do the same. So integral of f of x dx minus integral of g of x dx. This one is the second property. Second property. Then third property. Third property. If third one. If I am multiplying a constant with this function. So k is a constant. So k is a constant. We will integrate k f of x dx. So it is equal to, we can take k outside of that integration. That means this one is also important. So we can take k outside of this integration. So f of x dx. F of x dx. Then fourth one, last one. So if we are taking so many functions, that means integration of k1 f1x plus k2 f2x plus k3 f3 of x, etc., etc. Last function kn fn of x dx. So how can you apply this with an integration? So individually we can integrate these functions. Individually we can integrate. That means it is equal to integral k1 f1 of x dx plus integral k2 f2 of x dx plus integral k3 f3 of x, etc., up to integral kn fn of x dx. So as discussed earlier, that means with property 3, so we can take this constant outside of integral. So k1 integral f1 of x dx plus k2 integral f2 of x dx plus k3 integral of f3 of x dx up to last kn integral fn of x dx. This f of x are function with respect to x, right? This f of x are function with respect to x, and k1 k2 k3 are constant. K1 k2 k3 are constant. So these four properties are very important in integration. Then we will go through some basics of integration, some formulas. This is also very important. So you must by heart this integration. This will be helpful in your physics also. Integration and differentiation. So I will explain first. Integrate x raised to n. So we want to integrate x raised to n dx, x raised to n dx. So what will we integrate? What will be the result of when we integrate x raised to n? So it is x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c, where this c is an arbitrary constant. Where this c is an arbitrary constant, so it must be a real number. So we can use that c as a capital letter or a small letter. So that c represents that it is an arbitrary constant where a not equal to minus 1. If it is minus 1, it will be undefined. Then integral of dx. So integral of dx. What will be the integral of dx? So integral of dx means it is integral 1 into dx. Second one. Second one. Integral of dx. Write it again. So integral of same thing. Dx is 1 into dx. Integral of 1 means we can write it as integral of x raised to 0 dx. X raised to 0 dx. Then what is x raised to 0? N is 0. So x raised to 0 plus 1 divided by 0 plus 1. So it is x raised to 1 divided by 1 is equal to x. So we'll get x plus c, where c is a constant. Then integral of cos x. Next one, integral of cos x. Integral of cos x. What is the differentiation of sin x? Differentiation of sin x, it is cos x. Differentiation of sin x, it is cos x. So opposite of this one, or inverse of cos x, it is integration. So cos x, it is sin x. So we will get the result as like this. Next, fourth one. So first one, second, third, fourth. Integral of sin x. Integral of sin x, it is minus cos x plus c. Integral of sin x is equal to minus cos x plus c. Then, as we know that fifth one, differentiation of tan x is sec square x. Differentiation of tan x is sec square x. So inverse of that one is integral. That means integral of sec square x. Integral of sec square x is tan x plus c. Tan x plus c. Next one, sixth. This one is sixth. Okay, sixth one. Integral of cot x. Integral of cosec square x. Integral of cosec square x is minus cot x. Integral of cosec square x is minus cot x. Integral of sec x into tan x, it is sec x. Then eighth one, integral of cosec x into cot x, it is minus cosec x. Then as we know that integral of or differentiation of e raised to x. Differentiation of e raised to x, what is e raised to x? It is e raised to x, right? So integral of e raised to x, it is e raised to x. E raised to x. Then differentiation of log x. What is differentiation of log x? It is 1 by x. It is 1 by x. So integral of 1 by x is log mod x. This one is important. Log mod x plus c. So you want to add a c in every integration. After every integration, we must add a constant. Then integration of a raised to x. Integration of a raised to x. This a raised to x divided by log a plus c. Then what is differentiation of tan inverse x? It is 1 by 1 plus x square. So integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx, it is tan inverse x, or we can write this one is minus cot inverse x. Sorry, this one is minus. This one is minus cot inverse x plus c. Then integral of dx divided by x into square root of x square minus 1, it is sec inverse x, or we can write it as minus cosec inverse x plus c. So we can by heart this one, otherwise you can't solve the integral questions. Okay, so first one, write an antiderivative for each of the following. So what do you mean by antiderivative? First question is in the syllabus, first it mentioned it is antiderivative. Find the antiderivative. Anti means inverse. Inverse of derivative. That means inverse of differentiation. Antiderivative means inverse of differentiation. So it is integration. Inverse of differentiation is integration. Inverse of differentiation is integration. So I am using the inspection method. Inspection method means we will just inspect the question and we will solve that. So first one, cos x. So I am taking sin x. Sin 2x. Instead of this cos 2x, I am taking sin 2x. What is the derivative of sin 2x? What is the derivative of sin 2x? So use we can use which one? We can use uh, chain rule. So it is equal to cos 2x into 2. Derivative of 2x is 2. So it is equal to 2 cos 2x. So integral of or antiderivative of cos 2x. Antiderivative of cos 2x is equal to, I am taking this 2 to this side. So 1 by 2 d by dx of sin 2x is equal to cos 2x. So the antiderivative is 1 by 2 sin 2x. 1 by 2 this sin 2x. So answer for this one is 1 by 2 sin 2x. 1 by 2 sin 2x. This one is the answer. Then second one. Second question. Second one. This one is first. Again, here it is 3x square. 3x square plus 4x cube. So what is the if I am taking x cube, what will be the differentiation of x cube? X cube, that means 3x square. If I am taking x cube, the differentiation is 3x square plus I am taking here it is x cube. So x raised to 4. I am taking x raised to 4. What is the differentiation of x raised to 4? It is 4x cube. So you can see that in this method, you can see that 3x square plus 4x square, it is x cube plus 4. So the answer is x cube plus x raised to 4 is the antiderivative of this one. Then third question, third one. 1 by x. What is the differentiation of 1 by x? 1 by x. It is log x. Log mod x. Log mod x. So the antiderivative of this one is log mod x. Log mod x. So this is actually inspection method. So for information only, I teach this one. You can use another method, that means substitution or basic integration method you can use for integration for your board exam. Okay. So second question, this is simple question. Find the following integrals. Find the following integrals. First question is x cube minus 1 divided by x square dx. So when you get a question, first of all, for integration, you must use that symbol. What is the symbol for indefinite? It is this symbol. Then you must write this function x cube minus 1 x square dx. This is important. So sometimes they will ask like this, find the following or integrate. So you must use this symbol. You must use this symbol. So here you can see denominator is x square. So we can write this one as x cube in bracket x cube minus x square minus 1 by x square into dx. So you can see that this one is which property? Integration. So in right side you can write like this. Integration of f of x plus g of x. This one is property. Dx is equal to integral f of x dx plus integral g of x dx. So the first function is f of x, second function is g of x. So you can use this property. So what will be the result? So it is equal to integral x cube by x square into dx minus integral 1 by x square dx. So it is equal to again x cube by x square. It is x dx minus integral x raised to minus 2 dx. 1 by x square. What is 1 by x square? What is 1 by x square? It is equal to x raised to minus 2. X raised to minus 2. Then we will apply which concept? Integration of, here you can see x raised to 1. This one is x raised to 1. This one is x raised to minus 2. So integral of x raised to n dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. N plus 1. So it is equal to x raised to 1. X raised to 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 minus, sorry, yes, minus x raised to minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1. So it is equal to x raised to 1 plus 1 x square divided by 2 minus only 1 minus x raised to this one is equal. Okay, x raised to minus 2 plus 1. What is x raised to minus 2 plus 1? Minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So it is x square divided by 2 minus into minus 1. It is plus x raised to minus 1. So again x square divided by 2 plus x raised to minus 1. X raised to minus 1 we can write it as 1 by x. 1 by x plus c. So x square by 2 plus 1 by x plus c. So this one is the answer for this question. Second one, x raised to, second question, integrate x raised to 2 by 3 plus 1 dx. Again same property we can use. X raised to 2 by 3 plus 1 dx. First one is f of x. This one is f of x. This one is g of x. G of x. So it is equal to again integrate x raised to 2 by 3 dx plus integral 1 into dx. So it is equal to x raised to n. Integral of x raised to n, it is x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So x raised to 2 by 3 plus 1 divided by 2 by 3 plus 1 plus, what is integral of 1 dx? 1 dx means it is x. 1 dx means it is x. Okay. Okay. So it is equal to x raised to 2 by 3 plus 1. 2 by 3 plus 1. So it is 2 by 3 plus 3 by 3. 5 by 3. X raised to 5 by 3 divided by 5 by 3 plus integration of 1 dx. That means it is x. It is x raised to this one is x raised to 0. X raised to 0 is integral of 1 is x raised to 0. So it is equal to x raised to 0 plus 1 divided by 0 plus 1 is equal to x. It is equal to x plus c. So it is 3 by 5. So it is in the form of a divided by b by c form. So it is ac divided by b. So it is 3 by 5 x raised to 5 by 3 plus x plus c. x plus c. 3 by 5 x raised to 5 by 3 plus x plus c will be the result. Then third question. Third question. X raised to 3 by 2. X raised to 3 by 2 plus 2 into e raised to x minus 1 by x minus 1 by x integration dx. So integrate x raised to 3 by 2 plus 2 into e raised to x minus 1 by x. So it is equal to, again, first function. Here you can see three functions, f of x, g of x or p of x. So individually integrate each functions. So integrate x raised to 3 by 2 dx plus integrate 2 e raised to x dx, not plus, minus integrate 1 by x dx. 1 by x dx. Again, integration of x raised to 3 by 2. Integration of x raised to n plus 1. X raised to n is x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So this one is equal to x raised to 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 by 2 plus 1 plus. Here this one is 2 into integral of e raised to x dx. So it is 2 into, what is integral of e raised to x? It is again e raised to x. So it is e raised to x. So this one is 2 into e raised to x minus 1 by x. What is integral of 1 by x? It is log mod x. Log mod x plus c. So this is the third one. Third one. Okay. Next one. So this one is, can see, integration of log x. Integration of 1 dx, it is x. Integration of 1 by x, it is log mod x. Integration of e raised to x, it is e raised to x. So you must by heart this one. Okay. Next, integrate sin x plus cos x. Integrate sin x plus cos x. So first, again, this function is, you can see this function is f of x. Second function is g of x, property of integration. So it is equal to integral sin x dx plus integral cos x dx. What is integral of cos x? That is sin x. Sin x. What is integral of sin x? It is minus cos x. Minus cos x plus c. Or we can rearrange this one. Sin x minus cos x plus c. Sin x minus cos x. Sin x minus cos x plus c. So these are the basic questions. Fourth one, integrate cosec x into cosec x plus cot x. So how can you integrate this one? Is there any simple technique, or which is a method to solve this question? Which is the method to solve this question? Anyone can answer. Which is the method? Integrate cos x into cos x plus cot x. How can you integrate this one? Yes. So in this we can expand this bracket. So it is equal to integral cosec x into cosec x. What is cosec x into cosec x? This cosec square x. Cosec square x plus cosec x into cot x. Cosec x into cot x dx. So first function is f of x. Second function is g of x. So it is equal to integrate cosec square x dx plus integrate cosec x cot x dx. What is the integral of cosec square x? What is the integral of cosec square x? So integral of cosec square x is minus cot x. So it is minus cot x. So we have integration of cosec square x is minus cot x. Integration of cosec x into cot x, it is minus cosec x, minus cosec x. Second one is minus cosec x, minus cosec x. So you can write this one as, you can take it as an outside. Minus we can take outside, minus cot x plus cosec x plus c. So sometimes this will be in the if they are asking for MCQ, sometimes this will be in your options, or this one is in your options. So you can choose this one. Okay. Then fifth one, it is integrate 1 minus sin x divided by cos square x. 1 minus sin square x divided by cos square x. How can you integrate this one? 1 minus cos x divided by 1 minus sin x divided by cos square x. So it is equal to, so first I am writing 1 minus sin x divided by cos square x dx. So here you can see denominator is same. What is denominator? It is cos square x. It is cos square x. So I am writing 1 divided by cos square x minus sin x divided by cos square x dx. What is 1 by cos? 1 by cos, it is sec. So it is sec square x. 1 by cos square, it is sec square x minus sin x by, here you can write sin x by cos x. Sin x by cos x is tan x. Then into 1 by cos x, it is sec x dx. So integration, again sec square x is f of x. Sec square x is f of x. This one is g of x. So it is equal to integration of sec square x dx minus integral of sec x into tan x dx. What is the integral of sec square x? What is the integral of sec square x? Integral of sec square x, it is integral of sec square x, it is tan x. Integral of sec square x is this tan x minus integral of sec x into tan x. Integral of sec x into tan x, it is sec x. Sec x plus c. So this will be the result. So integral of 1 minus sin x divided by cos square x dx, it is equal to tan x minus sec x plus c. Next, sixth question. So how can you integrate this? Again, same concept. Integrate root x into 3x square plus 2x plus 3. Then expand that bracket. So before expanding, what is root x? Root x, we can write it as x raised to 1 by 2. Root x, it is x raised to 1 by 2. So it is integral x raised to 1 by 2 into 3x square plus 2x plus 3 dx. 3 dx. 3 dx. So again, I am multiplying this x raised to 1 by 2 into this bracket, or expanding that bracket. So x raised to 1 by 2 into 3x square plus again x raised to 1 by 2 into 2x plus 3 into x raised to 1 by 2 dx. X raised to 1 by 2 dx. So here you can see again 3 is a constant, x raised to 1 by 2 into x square plus 2 into x raised to 1 by 2 into x plus 3 into x raised to 1 by 2 dx. Here we can apply a theory. This one is x raised to 1 by 2. So you have studied in 9 a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. A raised to m plus n. So this one is equal to integral of I'm taking individual. First of all, I'm taking individual integration. This one is f of x, g of x, p of x. F of x, g of x, p of x. Okay. So it is equal to 3 into x raised to 1 by 2 x square dx plus 2 into integral x raised to 1 by 2 x plus 3 into integral dx, 3 into x raised to 1 by 2 dx, x raised to 1 by 2 dx. Second, I am writing this one 3 into integral x raised to 1 by 2 into x into dx plus 2 into x raised to 1 by 2 x, 2 into integral x raised to 1 by 2 x dx plus this one 3 into x raised to 1 by 2, 3 into integral x raised to 1 by 2 dx, x raised to 1 by 2 dx. So it is equal to, you can see this one is a raised to, again a raised to m into a raised to n form. It is equal to a raised to m plus n, a raised to m plus n. So 3 into integral x raised to 1 by 2 plus 1, 1 by 2 plus 1, it is equal to 1 by 2 plus 2 by 2, it is equal to 3 by 2. So this one is x raised to 3 by 2 dx, x raised to 3 by 2 dx. One second. Yes. X raised to 3 by 2, x raised to 3 by 2 dx. Then again 1 by 2, 1 by 2, second one 1 by 2, one second, this one is square. It's a small mistake. This one is x square. Sorry, this one is x square. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 2, 1 by 2 plus 2. What is 1 by 2 plus 2? So it is 1 by 2 plus 2. It means 4, 4 by 2. 4 by 2. So it is equal to, so it is equal to 1 by 2 plus 2 by 2. So it is equal to 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. 5 by 2. I'm checking the question again. Yes, it is 3x square. Okay. So it is 5 by 2. 5 by 2. So x raised to 1 by 2 plus 2, it is 1 by 2 plus 2, it is 5 by 2 plus again 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1, it is 1 by 2 plus 1, it is 3 by 2. So x raised to 3 by 2 plus 3 into this one is again integration dx 3 into integral of x raised to 1 by 2 dx, x raised to 1 by 2 dx. So it is equal to 3 into what is the integral of x raised to 5 by 2? Integral of x raised to 5 by 2 is 5 by 2 plus 1 divided by 5 by 2 plus 1 plus 2 into x raised to 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 by 2 plus 1 plus 3 into x raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1. Okay, I mistakenly take this one as x. It is actually x square. So it is equal to 3 into, what is 5 by 2 plus 1? 5 by 2 plus 1. So it is 5 by 2 plus 2 by 2, 7 by 2. 7 by 2. So x raised to 7 by 2 divided by 7 by 2 plus 2 into 3 by 2 plus 1. 3 by 2 plus 1, it is 5 by 2. X raised to 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 plus again 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1. It is 1 by 2 plus 1, it is 1 by 2 plus 1, it is x raised to 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Integration by substitution. So it is actually a substitution method is simple one. So it is a larger area. So we will cover in the next class. So we want to go through so many questions in integration by substitution method. At least we need 45 minutes for this class. So I will wind up this class. So today we discussed the basics of integration. So what we have discussed is first we discussed about the what is integration. Integration is the inverse of differentiation. Integration is the inverse of differentiation. There are two types of integrals, definite integrals and indefinite integrals. Then we discussed the properties of integrals. So first property, integration of integral of a differentiation is equal to that function. Then integral of two different function, we can take integration of that particular function plus integration of another function. Then it is applicable for substitution and it is applicable for addition and subtraction. Then we discussed about the when we multiply a constant inside an integral, we can take that constant outside that integral. So this one is that. Then we can use the fourth property. Then we discussed two types of integral, that means definite and indefinite integral. Definite integral means it has some limit, lower limit and upper limit. Then indefinite integral, there is no limit, we will integrate that function. Then we discussed the basics of integration, that is formulas. This is very important. You must study all the integration formulas by heart. So there are so many formulas in integration while you are going through this chapter. So first of all, you must by heart the basic integration formulas. Then after that, you must go through all the formulas. So I am winding up this session. So in next class, we will discuss about the substitution method, integration by parts, integration by partial fraction, indefinite integrals, then integration with some functions, that means some formulas. So all are very important in calculus. Integration is very important. In next class, I will discuss about some applications of integration. There are so many applications of at last we will discuss about the applications of integration. So in next Saturday, we are going live with chapter 5, magnetism and matters, with Rahul sir. This part 2. If you want to go through some videos of physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics of biology and mathematics of grade 12, you can go through our channel. So thank you all.